Historic flooding all up and down the St. Johns River in Seminole County is still an issue for some people, but not for the majority in the business community. WESH 2's Dave McDaniels explains how the welcome mat is still out.
Lake Monroe is still high, very high. Under the surface of the floodwater, the seawall as well as the popular Riverwalk. Sanford Pizza Company still surrounded by water. The Lake Monroe flooding is historic. Even though it's dropped a little bit, it is still tied for the record set back in 2008. We get a block south of the Riverwalk, south of the lake itself. You look at a historic downtown Sanford, the folks in business there say they're ready for you to drop by.
We're here, we're open for business.
Tuffy's Bottle Shop hosts events, has a live music stage, and since the flooding, has had to answer questions from its customer base.
Are you even open? Are you underwater? And we've had to explain to several people, like, yes, we're open, we're dry, and it's, you know, we're business as usual.
The record-setting floodwaters extend basically a block. Certainly a hardship, but it's not citywide. Even Cafe de Riverwalk, with floodwaters in sight, had a lunch crowd.
There's a perception out there that due to the storm and Ian and the ongoing damage, we are closed. It's not the case. We're open for business.
Historic downtown Sanford wants to reassure anyone who may have avoided Sanford lately.
This last weekend was very low. The numbers for events and for regular turnouts was under what we have normally.
So for people who had their doubts,
there is flooding and it's serious. But as for the bars and restaurants here in town and the shops, we are open.
We're open, we've been open, and we'd love to see everyone come back.
In Sanford, Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.